Hey, name's Matt. Welcome to the channel. Oh God! Oh no! Not bag! No bag! Get me! Yeah! Woohoo! All right! I got it! I don't know what the hell I'm doing with it though. Oh, I got it. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with it, but I got it. What the hell did I pick up? All stock sweet feed pellets. Cool. I don't know. I don't know. That just made my whole entire day. The whole day made. You gonna stop? Okay, thank you. Oh, hi. Where do you live? Well, you seem really familiar with this area, so I'm assuming that that's your home. All right, here we go. Alright, gotta find a trash bin. Maybe this is one. Steel box. It looks like a trash bin. It smells like a trash bin. Huh? I'm not smart enough to figure this out. Right, okay, we're gonna go that way. I don't see a trash bin. There is no trash bin. I think that's my only hope, but I'm not smart enough to open it. Okay, let's try to figure this out one more time. Because there has to be a way to open it for just the everyday schmuck. Don't move. I just had to push. There's a lever in there.